Good evening or good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, because எங்களுக்கு அப்படித்தானே சொல்லி பழக்கம். குட் மார்னிங், குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன், குட் ஈவினிங், குட் நைட். குட் நைட் சொல்றது இல்லை, நாங்கள் அப்படி யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, குட் நைட் தான் சொல்லுவோம் வாரத்துல. குட் மார்னிங், குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன், குட் ஈவினிங், குட் நைட். Okay, let's review what happened in the last class. We were talking about a lot of things. Some of you said the class was too fast. கொஞ்சம் வேகமா போயிட்டேன்னு சொன்னீங்க, which is true. அது உண்மைதான், கொஞ்சம் வேகமா தான் போனேன். But we will review now. Can somebody tell me what we learned yesterday? In short, very short, கொஞ்சம் சொல்லலுமா நாங்க என்ன படிச்சோம்? In English, please. Too good ன்னு சொன்னா நல்லதுன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லை, நல்லது இல்லை என்று சொல்றது it's too good ன்னு சொல்றது. ஆக ஓவரா போயிட்டேங்கிறது தான் too good ன்னு சொல்றது, right? Okay, so you don't need to use that word too good என்று பாவிக்க தேவையில்லை. When you have to say, you can say it was very good, nice, better சொல்லலாம். இல்ல மிகவும் நல்ல இப்படி ஒரு விஷயத்தை நான் பார்த்ததே இல்லைன்னா you can say excellent. Okay, right. With that, we will go to today's content. But before going into today's content, I want a few volunteers to come and present. So what was the exercise for today? Did you all watch that video? Okay, start.
I am not ready, but try to speak.
Yes, I also.
Very good. What a great combination. Okay, right. Yeah,
Because
start.
I have headache and fever.
Headache and fever. Yeah. So can you talk? If you can't, just don't stress yourself.
I will try.
Okay, try. Go.
Hi,
Go.
Nivedi.
Hi, how are you today?
Uh, Today is good. How you feel today?
I am not well.
Why?
I have a fever and headache.
Are you are you take medicine?
No, today I am very busy because my elder son preschool marketing center.
Okay. You are plan tomorrow go to hospital?
Yes, I will try to.
Okay, take care. What's your
you.
plan this weekend?
No, nothing special. How about you?
Saturday, uh, tomorrow, I already plan our staff birthday party, and day after tomorrow, our colleague. Uh, our colleague daughter preparation ceremony. So this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, also party.
Okay, so good. Uh, when you with whom? You are going with whom?
Sorry, can you please ask your question? Repeat.
With whom? ஆரோட போறீங்க?
I and my friends.
Okay, good. What's so special about it?
Special party special.
Yes.
I don't know because tomorrow and day after tomorrow we'll see what's the special. Then I will talk with you. Party special.
Okay. Anything else?
No, I can't move any English answer and questions dialogue because we are already plan it. So we have finished this dialogue.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank
See
you.
you.
See you.
Okay. Thank you, both of you. So The actual problem is you don't know enough words. That's the problem. If you know enough words, then you can speak. You can try more words. Now, if you don't know enough words, how can you learn more words? Anybody? Somebody answer me. How can you learn more words?
Read Bible, some read storybook.
Yeah, I think reading the Bible is a good idea if you're a Christian and if you have maybe you may not be a Christian, but if you have an English Bible, to keep both the books together, one in Tamil and one in English, so you can read verse by verse. You will know what is the meaning of this word, what is the meaning of this sentence. You will know that. So it's a good way of learning more words. We call a lot of words, then we call them vocabulary. Okay, that's what. So when you were talking, when these people were talking, these two people, you said, this is about it. This is about, okay, about it. And somebody said, puberty. This is not puberty, this is puberty. Okay, puberty. And the other one is ceremony. Ceremony. Okay, this is ceremony. Right. So with those comments, we will move on to today's content. Right. Do you know the word can? We have heard about this, right? In many instances, we are also using the word can. I can, you can, she can, they can, he can. What does it mean?
முடியும்.
Yeah. So I can speak English.
என்னால் இங்கிலீஷ் பேச முடியும்.
Okay. Yes. So like that, every sentence has this she can, they can, he can, we can. And then when you make a question, the can, it changes places. It goes in front of the noun. You can see the difference now. Okay. So that's the question. Can you sing? You can sing. That is a sentence. To make a question, can you sing? Can he drive a car? Can they speak French? Can she play the piano? Can we run fast? How do we make requests? Earlier, what we saw was the ability of somebody. Ability means இயலுமை. சரியா? ஒரு விஷயத்தை செய்யறதுக்குரிய ஒருவருடைய ஆற்றல், இயலுமை. அதான் ability. I can speak, எனக்கு கதைக்க முடியும். Can you speak? உங்களுக்கு கதைக்க முடியுமா? உங்களோட இயலுமையை பற்றி சொல்றது அல்லது கேட்கிறது. That is, these statements are about telling I can. Then these are questions. These are about whether you can. உங்களுக்கு இயலுமான்னு கேட்குது அல்ல அவங்களுக்கு இயலுமான்னு கேட்குது. Right? Then there are requests. How do you request? Request ஒரு வேண்டுகோள். அதை எப்படி செய்யறது? Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Salt and உப்பு. பாஸ் தூக்கி தரது. டேபிள்ல 2-3 பேர் இருந்து ஒரு ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்ல இருந்து சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கும்போது, if you are eating there and if there's a pot of salt, உப்போட ஒரு சின்ன பாத்திரம் இருந்தா, can you pass me the salt, please? Okay. Can you help me carry this bag? Carry. Can you explain this to me again? ஒரு விஷயத்தை விளங்கப்படுத்தும் போது, if you don't understand it, you can ask like this. Can you explain this to me again? Can you please explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library? Directions mean திசைகள். லைப்ரரிக்கு எப்படி போகுதுன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? வலது பக்கம் போங்க, இடது பக்கம் திரும்புங்க, முதலாவது வார ஒழுங்கில் திரும்புங்க, இரண்டாவது வார சந்தியால் திரும்புங்க, நேர போங்க, ஒரு குளம் வரும், அதுக்கு விழுங்க சொல்றது. That kind of descriptions. That's the directions. இப்படி போறது. இப்போ ஒரு ஆள்கிட்ட கேட்கறது லைப்ரரிக்கு எப்படி போறதுன்னு சொல்லலுமான்னு கேட்கறத இப்படி கேட்கலாம். Can you give me directions to the library, please? Okay. Now, for practice, for pronunciation, I want all of you to try reading these. Raise your hands up and I'll ask you to read. So you have to read it now. All of the sentences, all 10 requests, read quickly. Okay?
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library?
Okay, thank you. So I will read it again for everyone to listen. Okay, so when you say it, remember the pronunciation. If you make a mistake, that's okay, but please listen one more time. Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Borrow illa, borrow. Okay, it's borrow. Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library?
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me directions to the library?
Okay, very good. Thank you. Have you ever watched any Chinese movies or video clips? Chinese ஆட்கள் கதைக்கிறது சைனீஸ் படங்கள் சைனீஸ் வீடியோ கிளிப்ஸ் ஏதாவது பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? கதைக்கும்போது கதைச்சது கேட்டது நான் கதைச்சது சைனீஸ் இல்ல. It's the modulation or intonation, how they use the language. Okay, அவங்க அந்த மொழியை பாவிக்கிற விதம் அப்படித்தான். English is also a stylish language. எப்படி நாம பேசும்போது தமிழ் ஒரு அழகிய மொழின்னு சொல்றோமோ, ஒரு இனிமையான மொழின்னு சொல்றோமோ, அது மாதிரி ஆங்கிலம் ஒரு you can make it stylish. சரியா? So when you speak, forget about your surroundings, forget about your environment, forget about what you know, what you don't know. Try to act like an English speaking person. Okay? Make as much intonation and modulation as possible. அசைவுகள் நளினங்கள் நாங்க உங்களோட முகத்தை பார்க்கல தானே இப்போ. Be very open. ஸோ நீங்க பேசும்போது நளினமா கதைக்க பாருங்க. சரியா? பிள்ளையா போனா பரவாயில்ல. Because when you start saying it in a stylish way, you will get it a stylish way. Okay? Right. Next person.
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt? Can you help me carry this bag? Can you explain this to me again? Can you give me a direction to the library?
Okay, thank you very much. Very good. But உங்களுக்கு pronunciation ஒரு இடத்துல ரெண்டு இடத்துல மூணு இடத்துல மிஸ் ஆச்சு. Okay, the first one is hand சொன்னீங்க. அது hand இல்ல can. Okay, very strong sound. Can. Right. Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your pen? Can you open the window, please? Can I use your phone? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you pass me the salt?